Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to type pi symbols in computer using keyboard shortcut. This guy is very easy and very simple method. Type pi symbols, or you can say how to add pi symbols. This guy is very easy and very simple method. First open Excel. Here you can see this Excel, click on it, then blank workbook. And here you type P is equal is equal 3.14. Select it, and here symbol. Here you can see that automatically font has pi. This guy is very easy and very simple method. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.